and like if there's any way to actually remove your personal data from the internet.
Yeah. So no. Short answer is no. So yeah, that's a really interesting place. So when you're talking about more about the traditional security, there are some good tools like Delete Me. They have some of the other ones. They are effective. So there are some legit companies. They go around. They'll find where your data's been posted. They'll have takedown orders. All that. So for the most part, all the above water organizations that your data may have surfaced to, they are good at deleting that. But anytime there's actually one of those um, real leaks, like if you see it, um, I mean, most of these people are going to be using Tor. They're going to store local copies down. One of the big threats I had to deal with was like ransomware, and they have your data. They have it on backups. They have it stored local. So they're on maybe like the whatever infrastructure they spin up. So it's typically these threat actors will spin up what's called fast flux infrastructure. So they'll spin something up, which is like the host. It'll have your data. If one of these companies will come around, they'll like say, "Hey, that IP address is hosting this. It's malicious data. Take down." Some ISP will be forced to take it down, but the infrastructure's there. They'll just spin it up on a new IP somewhere else around the world. Typically, the threat actors these days are advanced enough where they understand which countries have advanced or primitive relationships with each other. So if for example, an American gets popped, their data is out on the internet, they'll spin it up in Russia because they know that Russia is not going to work with U.S. officials. So on a global scale, eventually over time, it'll be slow rolled